This video is to tell you about placements in 5-year IPM course at the IIMs. So let's look at it. I mean, we do run courses for the IPMAT exam, the Into, Rotor, GMAT, etc. So if you're interested, you can contact us. Okay, now placements. Normally what happens, the IPM is a 5-year course, right? The 4th and 5th year of the IPM is common with a 2-year MBA course. So the placements also common, which means the placements are common. That means the average package of a 5-year course is same as the average package of a 2-year MBA course. So there's no difference in the placements, it's similar. Now, if you look at the average package of the IIMs, I mean, for IIM Indo, which is supposed to be the best IIM IPM course, it's 30 lakhs per annum. The other colleges that provide IPM are these. So Rotak has an average of 19.27, Ranchi and 18.67. They're supposed to be new IIMs. Okay, these are older IIMs, new IIMs. And then Amritsar, Jammu and Bodh, they're supposed to be the baby IIMs that started a little later, has average package of 13.2, 16 lakhs per. So this is the average package as such. So based on that, you can fairly make out kind of what kind of placements will be there. So normally you have a decent placement at the IIMs, and as and when time passes, the newer and the baby IIMs are supposed to improve with regards to average package, purely because since they're comparatively new, therefore they are not so well known. But as and when they are well known, they get the alumni in the industry, tend to get a better package. But yes, this will just to give you an idea as to what are the average packages in different IIMs for the IPMAT, and hopefully this will help you motivate you to prepare for the IPMAT examinations. So basically, you pass the 5-year MBA with an MBA degree, and so you don't have to worry about doing an MBA as such. Hope this helps. So this will also give you a dates for the exam. The IPMAT indoor exam last date is 27th March. IPMAT Rotak exam 11th April, and GMAT, which is for IPM Jammu and IPM Bodh Gaya, last date is over 10. Let's just check out. I mean, it normally extend. So these are dates. If you want to also write a Maharashtra PBA CET, March 20th, NPAT exam for Narsi Munji, Mumbai, 26 May, and so on. Set is for Symbiosis, 12 April. So this gives the last date for forms. If you're interested, do fill the form. Hope this helps. Thank you.